Good morning. So this morning so far we've had a very slow, lazy morning. Last night my dad smothered down some okra. We did most of it in the oven so that way we can freeze it to have for gumbos, etc. We did do some on the stove with some shrimp and some sausage. It was delicious. Now today the plan so far is I do have some lima beans that were frozen. I took out some cabbage that I've already cooked that was frozen. I took that out. I do have this pork here. This pork is 6.58 pounds. So I'm going to split this in half and we're going to make 2 meals out of this. So half of it is going to be roasted today to go with the lima beans and the cabbage. The other half I'm going to put in the crock pot, and we are going to try pozole with this and have the meat for the week to eat off of. Never had pozole really. I don't think I'm going to add as much water as this says to add because it's going to be kind of soupy, and I'm guessing we can add water later to this, but let's get started. Okay, so as you can tell, my husband helped me out and he cut up the meat for the crock pot for the pozole, and he also sliced the meat up for here. So we're gonna season everything and get everything ready. I'm gonna go in with some Tony's, some Lowry's, some blackening season, some garlic and herb, some onion powder, some garlic powder, I'm going to flip that over and re-season the other side. We're going to add some seasoning blend to both pots. Add about this much water. This is the pozole bomb. We're going to throw this in. This is on high. I have it set to high for now, and we're just going to let this go for a while. We're going to check on this later. I'll show you guys what this is looking like. For our roasted pork, I'm going to add in a few little...
I did end up covering this with some foil and letting this cook. So yeah, it did not just sit in my oven uncovered.
And our dinner has started. Sorry I'm still in my night clothes, but we had a lazy morning. And we will check back in a little while. For y'all, it'll be a little while. For us, it'll be later in the day on the pork here and the pork in the oven. So stay tuned. So we are back and the pork is done. My husband tasted it and he said it was delicious. This is the pork that I roasted. We spiced it up. Some cabbage, some lima beans, and some cooked rice.